Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning from my yoga mat. Welcome to the vlog. I just recorded the yoga flow for today. If you are new here, I post yoga flows every day at 5 a.m. Eastern time here on my channel. So maybe it would be a good idea to subscribe to my channel. Just saying, if you'd like to do yoga with me and follow my vlogs and get tips on wellness and healthy lifestyle, just saying. So yeah, the day of course started earlier. I went to the gym, I had my workout, I came back, recorded the yoga flow, and now I feel I'm ready to start the day. But first, coffee. The morning started with the comforting ritual of brewing my coffee. There is something about the aroma of coffee that just sets the right tone for the day, don't you think? While sipping on my coffee, I dove into editing the yoga flow video of the day. It's always so fulfilling to prepare these videos for you, knowing they will bring a little bit of peace and wellness into your day. After that, it was time to switch gears and tidy up the house. First up, washing the bedding. Clean bedding not only ensures a hygienic sleeping environment, but also contributes to better sleep quality. And good sleep, as we know, is crucial for our physical and mental health. Then there's the task of unloading the dishwasher. While it might seem mundane, it's actually a great moment to practice mindfulness. Paying attention to the simple act of stacking dishes, the sound of clinking glass, and the organization of utensils can turn this everyday chore into a meditative practice. Plus, keeping our kitchen clean and organized directly impacts our food choices and eating habits. A clutter-free kitchen invites us to cook healthy meals and enjoy the process. After lunch, my afternoon was bustling with client meetings. As a health coach, I find these one-on-one sessions incredibly rewarding. It's a chance to connect, understand your unique journeys, and help tailor strategies that resonate with your lifestyle. Each meeting is a reminder of why I love doing what I do. I received an exciting package, and guess what? It was this incredible set of teas arranged into 3 tantalizing groups: classics, green tea, and fruit tea. Each group offers its unique blend of flavors and health benefits. So why I think you should always have tea at home? First, because it's delicious and there's a variety of teas or at least infusions, so you are going to love at least one of them, and it's always a good idea to have something that we love at home. And the second reason, especially because of that, because you're going to love it, you are going to drink more water because we infuse the herbs with water. Of course, drinking pure water will always be the best option, but if you have a hard time trying to drink more water, maybe drinking tea or infusions could be a solution for you. Another reason, for me at least, it's a good way to slow down. By the end of the day, or at least by the end of the afternoon, after I did a lot of work, when my brain is still racing and I want to slow down, I stop everything and I prepare a cup of tea, because the preparation itself is already like an introspective activity. I would say you have to slow down, you have to boil the water, you have to pour the water. So I think it's a good way for me to remind myself it's time to slow down. Depending on the herbs, on the infusion that you choose, you have a variety of health advantages, I would say. For example, some of the herbs have antioxidants. It's good for digestion as well. Tea can be a good way to moderate your intake of caffeine. You can exchange your coffee with a tea with zero caffeine. Of course, it's not the same for all of the herbs. Some of the herbs, yes, they have a lot of caffeine, but you can look for those that are more like relaxing ones and try to substitute your coffee intake. And in the other hand, if you need more energy, especially in the morning, you can have tea with caffeine. You can look for herbs that have caffeine in it. Maybe you have some trouble trying to drink coffee, make coffee is too acid for your stomach, or I don't know, or you don't like coffee, you can try tea. So yeah, there are a lot of benefits of having tea at home. As I said, for me, I drink more as a way to slow down. But yeah, I would invite you to explore more the world of tea and try to taste different herbs, find the ones that you love, and fall in love. Discover new loves. There's nothing better in life than discover new things that we love. So try with tea. As the day wound down, I got back to editing more videos. It's a labor of love, ensuring that every detail is perfect for you. Come dinner time, I whipped up something nutritious yet absolutely delicious: shrimp with sweet potatoes, accompanied by a fresh salad. The salad was a mix of greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and radish, lightly drizzled with balsamic vinegar. Such a simple yet flavorful meal that's not only pleasing to the palate but also nourishing for the body. And that's a wrap on my day. It's days like these, filled with simple joys, work I'm passionate about, and healthy choices that remind me how a balanced lifestyle is not only achievable but also enjoyable. Remember, it's the small, consistent steps that lead to big changes. Stay positive, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay true to yourself. Namaste.